Hello sir, this is our report for today. Evaluating usability across cultural contexts. So, the evaluating of usability across cultural contexts hold paramount significance. Cultural diversity is a aspect of our interconnected world, influencing how individuals interact with and perceive technology. Understanding the impact of cultural nuances on usability is essential for creating inclusive and user-centric products that resonate with diverse audiences. Cultural context shapes users' behaviors, expectations, and preference, underscoring the need for tailored usability evaluations. A user interface that is intuitive for one cultural group may pose challenges for users from a different cultural background due to varying interpretations for symbols, colors, or interaction patterns. By acknowledging and accommodating cultural differences in usability evaluation, organizations can enhance user satisfaction, engagement, and overall user experience. The intricate interplay between cultural context and usability evaluation, it explores the importance of cultural consideration in user experience design, the challenges of conducting cross-cultural usability assessments, and effective strategies for ensuring usability across diverse cultural contexts. By embracing cultural diversity in usability, evaluation organizations can craft products that not only meet functional requirements but also resonate with users on a cultural level, fostering meaningful and inclusive user experiences. Importance of considering cultural context in usability evaluation. User-centric design. By taking cultural context into account, organizations can ensure that their products are tailored to the needs and preference of users from different cultural backgrounds. This user-centric approach leads to higher user satisfaction, increased engagement, and improved overall users experience. Avoiding cultural biases. Cultural biases can inadvertently be introduced into product design and evaluations. By actively considering cultural context, organization can identify and mitigate these biases, ensuring that their products are culturally sensitive and inclusive. Effective communication. Language and communication style vary across cultures. Usability evaluations that consider cultural context can address language barriers and ensure that the product or system communicates effectively with users from diverse cultural backgrounds. Localization and adoption. Products and systems often need to be localized and adapt for different cultures. Usability evaluations that encompass cultural context help identify specific localization needs such as adapting visual elements, colors, or content to align with cultural preferences and norms. Building trust and empathy. Considering cultural context in usability evaluation demonstrates an organization communicate commitment to understanding and respecting different cultures. This fosters trust and empathy among users, leading to stronger brand loyalty and positive user perception. Cultural factors in usability evaluations. Language Language is a fundamental aspect of cultural and plays a crucial role in usability users. Language proficiency affects their ability to understand and interact with a product or system. If a product is not available in the users native language or does not provide clear and concise in instructions, it can lead to confusion, frustration, and hindered usability. Localization efforts, including translations and adapting language-specific nuances, are essential for ensuring effective communication and usability across different cultural contexts. Cultural norms refers to shared expectation and behavior within a specific cultural group. These norms influence how individuals perceive and interact with technology. For example, in some cultures, hierarchical structures are prevalent, which can impact the design and navigation of user interface. Understanding cultural norms helps in designing interfaces that align the user expectations, making the product more intuitive and usable. Cultural value represent the principles and beliefs that guide individuals' behaviors and decision making. Different cultures have varying value such as collectivism versus individualism, risk aversion versus risk taking, or long term orientation versus short term orientation. This value can impact users' motivation, preference, and decision-making processes when interacting with products. Designing products that resonate with users' cultural values enhance usability and user satisfaction. Aesthetic refers to the visual and sensor aspect of a product or system. Cultural aesthetic differ across cultures, encompassing preference for color, shapes, typography, and overall design style. For example, certain color may carry different meaning or symbolisms in different cultures. Adapting the visual design and aesthetic to align with cultural preferences enhances the appeal and usability of the product for users from diverse cultural backgrounds.
Cultural diversity. One of the primary considerations is to ensure a diverse and representative sample of participants from different cultural backgrounds. This helps capture a wide range of perspectives and experiences, enabling to identification of usability issues specific to different cultures. Challenges. Finding participants from diverse cultural backgrounds can be challenging, especially when conducting remote or online evaluation. Language barriers may also arise when participants are not fluent in the evaluation language. Potential solution: collaborating with local experts, recruiting participants through cultural organizations or communities, and providing language support or translation service can help overcome these challenges. Using remote collaboration tools that accommodate multiple languages can also facilitate cross-cultural usability evaluations. Cultural norms and values. Understanding cultural norms and values is crucial when evaluating usability across different cultures. Challenges: design elements, interaction patterns that are intuitive in one culture may not be the same in another. Misinterpretation of cultural norms can lead to usability issues and hinder the effectiveness of the evaluation. Potential solution: conducting thorough research on cultural norms and values, consulting with cultural experts, and involving participants from a specific culture being evaluated can uncover culturally specific usability issues. Adapting the design to align with cultural preferences and conducting iterative testing with users from the target culture can also lead to improved usability. Language and communication. Language play a vital role in usability testing. Participants need to understand instruction, provide feedback, and interact with the product or system effectively. Challenges. Language barrier can hinder effective communication and understanding, lead to misinterpretation of task and feedback. Translating evaluation materials accurately without losing the intended meaning can also be challenging. Potential solution providing translated materials and instruction in participants' native language, using interpreters if necessary, and ensuring clarity and simplicity in communication can help overcome language barriers. It is crucial to consider cultural instances and idiomatic expression when translating evaluating evolution materials. In conclusion, evaluating usability across cultural contexts is yet most important in today's interconnected world. Cultural factors such as language, cultural norms, values, and aesthetics significantly influence user interaction with product and system. By considering cultural context in usability evaluation, organizations can create products that are user-centric, inclusive, and effective across diverse cultural backgrounds. Cultural context shapes user experience. Cultural factors play a crucial role in shaping users' behavior, preferences, and expectations. Ignoring cultural context can lead to usability issues and hinder the overall user experience. Cultural sensitivity enhances usability by understanding and adapting to cultural nuances. Organizations can design products that align with users' cultural norms, values, and aesthetics. This results in improved user satisfaction, increased engagement, and a positive user experience. Cultural diversity drives market reach. Considering cultural context in usability evaluation enables organizations to tap into new markets and reach a goal user base. By designing exclusive products, organizations can expand their market reach and gain a competitive advantage. In conclusion, embracing cultural context can usability evaluation is essential for creating user-friendly, cultural sensitive products. By considering the impacts of culture factors, organizations can foster positive user experiences, increase user satisfaction, and gain a competitive edge in the global market. It is crucial to recognize and respect the diversity of users' cultural background to ensure the success and effectiveness of products and systems.